Cool Python trick, partial splat unpacking, and this is how you do it. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today we're going to look at another trick, partial splat unpacking. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. Digging through notes the other day and ran across this and forgot how much I loved it, and I think we're to this point. So alright, we know what unpacking, we know what splat unpacking is, but you can also do this in a unbalanced way. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one video at a time. So alright, let's do this just to make sure we know regular unpacking. So alright, bring these into memory, and then we go A, B, I guess we could have gone CB equals Y. So then we go A, B, C. So we just unpacked these variables. Well, now let's say these are people in a race and you want first, second, third place, and then you want the remainder of the list. So first instinct goes, well, that's uneven, and we could do slicing, or we could do partial unpacking. Let's just go B, C, and then what's our unpacking? The D, and assign this to X. So no error was thrown, right? A, B, C. Now check this out. The remainder of the list. Just what I have highlighted. Pretty cool, right? So now let's say you wanted first, second, third, majority of the middle, and you wanted last place. So we get rid of the splat. I'm sorry, no, we keep the splat. Then we go E for last place. Then let me make sure we can see. Okay, good. And here we are. So D is now a jersey number 00 went down to 0. So now last place is 0. So I thought we were to the point where, actually I can't believe we haven't gone through this, but digging through a bunch of old stuff. So it's actually been fun because just a lot of, I think a comment that I saw, what's a weird trick that when you were learning or something. Just been spending a lot of time on message boards. Gotten some really good ideas, been able to give a lot of feedback. I hope you guys are contributing too, because that's great for your development, and one of the things that makes Python an awesome community. So here we are, the real quick video today, cool Python trick, partial splat unpacking, and this is how you do it. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, any video requests down below, and I'll get right to it. And as always, guys, please think about contributing to Patreon, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.